Okay, so guys, today I'm going to tell you how to make transparent watermark on inshot. First, you have to go on inshot and then open the photo editor and then click on blank. Then make the background transparent like this. Okay. Then go to text and type your name. Type your name. Type your name. Just like this. And you can choose any font you like and make the text color white and border to just like 50, border to 50, and shadow looks like this. Y, you have to make the y-axis full and x-axis not so much, but so little. Yeah, just like this. Yeah. And you have to glue. If you want, you can add glue. I will not prefer glue because it will not look good. Okay. And then just export it. Okay. And then just discard this project because we do not need this. And then open a new project. Then open your project. I'll show you just for example. Okay, these are the clips. So on the part you want this. So I want you want it on the whole clip. Then you click PIP and then select the text you just exported and just go to blend, make it overlay. See, this will make it transparent. And it will look good also, as you can see. Okay, so thanks for watching. Bye bye.